80. Knowledge and wisdom are really the privilege of a faithful Muslim. If you have lost them, get them back, even though you may have to get them from the apostates. 81. Value of each man depends upon the art and skill which he has attained. 82. I want to teach you 5 of those things which deserve your greatest anxiety to acquire. Have hope only in Allah. Be afraid of nothing but sins. If you do not know a thing, never feel ashamed to admit ignorance. If you do not know a thing, never hesitate or feel ashamed to learn it. Acquire patience and endurance, because their relation with true faith is that of a head to a body. A body is of no use without a head. Similarly, true faith can be of no use without attributes of resignation, endurance, and patience. 83. A man hypocritically started praising Imam Ali, though he had no faith in him, and Imam Ali, hearing these praises from him, said, I am less than what you tell about me, but more than what you think about me. 84. Those who have come alive out of a blood bath live longer and have more children. 85. One who imagines himself to be all-knowing will surely suffer on account of his ignorance. 86. I appreciate an old man's cautious opinion more than the valor of a young man. 87. I wonder at a man who loses hope of salvation when the door of repentance is open for him. 88. Imam Muhammad Baqir says that Imam Ali once said, there were 2 things in this world which softened the wrath of Allah and prevented its descent upon man. One has been taken away from you. Hold the other steadfastly. The one which has been taken away from men is the Holy Prophet, and the one which is still left with them and which they must hold steadfastly is repentance and atonement for sins. Because Allah at one place in the Holy Book addressed the Holy Prophet and said, Allah would not punish them while you were among them, nor while they were asking for forgiveness. Surah Anfal 8:33. 89. Whoever keeps in order his affairs with Allah follows his orders sincerely. Allah will also put his affairs with men in order. Whoever makes arrangement for his salvation, Allah will arrange his worldly affairs. Whoever is a preacher for himself, Allah will also protect him. 90. He is the wisest and the most knowing man who advises people not to lose hope and faith in the mercy of Allah, and not to be too sure and overconfident of immunity from his wrath and punishment.